When I try to get DevOps person in, they should be able to help us out. CJN OTT, I'll have Harsh come in. Harsh or Jean, let's see whoever is available. Hold on, he'll give you the
What?
I'm calling some DevOps guy. DevOps guy will come and give you the credentials. Then you should be able to log in. He's calling me. Yeah, I'm calling him. He's calling me. Harsh, you're on some meeting, Harsh?
What is that?
No, hold on. I'm talking to the Harsh. Hold on. Sebastian is just coming, Sebastian.
Okay.
So if you pull the code from this, then it will be easier. If not, then I'll send you, because this looks like an older code with you. One version older.
Okay.
Okay. If not, then I'll zip and send it to you. But rather than zip and sending it to you, if he comes with you through Git, it will be easier. He'll come in a minute, he said. Yeah, Harsh is there. Harsh?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
This is Sebastian is with us on call. Give him the link to Bitbucket, our CJN OTT.
Okay, sir.
Put it in the chat so he can then take it from there.
Okay. Also, I have to give permission to him, like write permission.
He can create the branch. Like, give him first the branch read that he can clone this thing. Not dev CJN now, re Baba. Not this. Not
Okay,
this.
got it.
Not this. Not
नहीं
this.
actually आज ऐसे हुआ ना.
Flutter OTT.
Okay sir. Okay. वो सर ऐसा हुआ ना आज कि मुझे 2-3 बार like अलग-अलग पूछा ना सबने, तो इसलिए थोड़ा मैं इधर
The Flutter OTT. Not this one. Not Sebastian. Not this one. Sebastian. Not this one.
Okay.
या मिल गया. I send SSH here.
Yeah, take the second one.
Sir, I have to give him permission, like.
Yeah, you have to give him permission. Yeah, give him permission. Okay. Let him clone first. Let him clone and build. You know, later when he pushes the code, because right now there is no change in the code, so he can just clone this code.
Okay.
Okay. Clone and build. Let him clone and build. Later when he pushes the code, because right now there is no change in the code, so he can just clone this code. Okay. Open the terminal window. You should be able to go to the terminal window and do that. Go to that folder. Now go to that folder, whichever folder you wanted, and give him the password.
This one?
Yeah, here only git clone. Yeah, you can do it here only. So come one folder out. So one folder behind. Other it will clone over here only. It will otherwise create one more file here. Folder it will create.
Okay.
Yeah, do this thing here. Yes. Given the password, Harsh.
So which one? Admin? I
Not
have
admin. Not admin. He has to clone, na.
Okay.
The cloning, it should not ask for password, na.
Yes, sir. Why not? If we just a second.
Add his email ID. What is his email? Git. Do you have a Git account?
Yes.
Sebastian, do you have a Git account?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. So give your Git email ID. So he'll add that. He'll give permission to that. So you
Yes.
can clone.
My GitHub.
Yeah. Bitbucket. Sorry, not GitHub. Bitbucket.
Oh,
Bitbucket.
Bitbucket.
Sorry.
No,
Okay.
this is my name.
Got it. Just a minute. So थोड़ा network issue है बस इसलिए so slow हो रहा है.
No problem. When once you are done, just tell that you are done. So then he will
Yes.
check it.
सर इनको कौन से ग्रुप में डालो?
कौन सा? एंड्रॉइड iOS वाले में रहेगा तो iOS में डाल दे.
एंड्रॉइड टीम टेस्ट के नाम से.
Whatever Android team test, जिस किसी में भी whatever is available right now, put it there only.
Okay.
Don't think of creating anything new.
Okay. So, check कर सकते हो आप. मैं दे चुका इनको.
Sebastian, check now if you are able to clone with your own user ID and password.
Still password.
You already have write and read.
You put your own password. What do you use for cloning?
Me?
No, I asked Sebastian to put his password. So now you have permission. Huh?
I don't know the password.
Like CJN, OTT Flutter. Like CJN, OTT Flutter. This one, yes. Use SSH. I think. Yes. Now try. Maybe it won't ask for password, right? You yes. Type yes. Please make sure you have the correct access. Right. Could not read the remote repository.
And now you are able to clone that, right?
No.
Your cloning was over?
No.
You're not able to clone this code through HTTPS also?
No, I can only download.
Okay, download and extract then.
Okay. Yeah, I did that. It's this one.
Download, extract, and then let's do Flutter clean.
Yeah, I did. Yeah.
Flutter pub get. Now what it is saying, current dar SDK. Oh no, you're using a 3.5.4. It will require 3.2.2, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Do Flutter dash version. 3.22.0.
Oh, 3.220.
Yeah, 3.220.
I did this one.
Okay, that's okay. 3.22.3 is also good.
Okay.
My side, I have 3.22.0. You are doing 3.22.3. Okay, that should not be a problem. There, you got all the dependencies. See that?
Yeah.
Now you do Flutter build.
Flutter what?
Flutter build. And what we want to build? We want to build the IPA, na?
Yeah, what?
Flutter build IPA.
Like that?
Puna. P for Peter.
IPA?
Yeah, IPA. Yeah.
Okay, you're on the call, right?
Yeah, sir, I'm on the call. He's building it right now. We are seeing it build. So,
What is it?
So, right.
What? He's building the OTT?
Yeah, he's building the OTT, the IPA file for iOS. He's doing that. He's just run the command now.
Okay.
So, running the pod install. I think the pods are not installed, so he'll run that. So, we'll get an idea. Usually, it would take about 10 minutes to do this entire activity, 10 to 15 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, some on my side, the first time it took about 40-45 minutes. Then it usually took about 10-12 minutes, 14 minutes it would take to do one build. So it looks like the iOS tools were not installed and the pods are not installed. So we may have to, if this generates an error, we may have to do is pod install to get all the
No,
pods.
that means Sebastian's this thing basic installation has certain things missing, Rakesh?
It was because he was using a different Flutter version. That is why the Flutter pub get was not happening.
So the problem was with Flutter or problem was with iOS installation?
Right now we found that there was the Flutter version problem. He was on a higher version. He was on the higher version of Flutter, which we just
a couple of weeks ago, I did it on 3.22 and still error. So I changed to a new one for another project.
Right now it has imported everything properly. Now we'll just see if it builds properly.
Yeah.
We may also have to check the Java version, what Java version you have, but let it finish building this. If it generates an error, we'll get an idea.
सर
हाँ
मेरी नीड है अभी यहाँ पे लाइक 15 मिनट बाद ना मैं शिवाजी सर के साथ मीटिंग में जाऊंगा.
एक मिनट, हर्ष हर्ष हर्ष,
गुड मॉर्निंग सर.
आपकी जरूरत नहीं है यहाँ पे, बट we have to continue building the team of our DevOps people. Okay,
ओके
you still have not solved your basic problems. कल का आपका जो प्रॉब्लम था वो सॉल्व हो गया क्या?
नो सर वो अभी सॉल्व नहीं हुआ. और
तो उसके लिए you need to get an expert about this. Okay, so call me directly. Okay,
So
hang up from here and call me directly.
What was the error here? Swift version.
Mm,
Go up.
हर्ष hang up करो, मेरे को directly call करो.
ओके सर.
Go up, just scroll up now, we'll get an idea what is the problem. Where did the problem begin?
it's too long. I cannot go.
Acha,
Okay.
ठीक है. Go down. Looks like go right at the bottom. We'll see what we'll try to solve from bottom upwards. Do pod install. Pod
Do
space
what?
pod pod Peter pod, the D as in no R pod install.
Oh, I should go to iOS, right?
Yeah, you may have to go to iOS and then do pod install there. Or iOS and runner and then do pod install. Yeah, okay. So it is installing. Okay.
Now build again.
Okay. Now, once the pods are installed, just see what Java version do we have. Java space dash version. Yeah, dash version. 17.0.12. Yeah, okay. That's fine enough. We are at the correct version. Okay. Yeah, now try to build. Or just let's finish. Okay. Then we'll try to open this project in Xcode.
Should I try it? Xcode?
Yeah, open. Let this build, and in the meantime, you can open it in Xcode also.
Mhm.
We just see what the optimization is there. The open
The iOS.
and the Xcode workspace. You need to open the workspace in iOS. There'll be workspace, open workspace.
How?
So open existing project. No, down below. Open existing project in the Xcode window. Open existing project, which is the folder you put it, iOS, and then Xcode workspace, runner.workspace. Last one.
Oh, okay.
and then open. Now over here on the runner, click on the runner on the left side. Yeah, runner. Yeah, hold on. Yeah, so over here, the version and everything is iOS version is what, 13, na?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, okay. That's what I just wanted to just recheck. Is 13.93 and things are okay. Okay. Signing, going to signing. Okay, you've chosen Avinash Kulkarni. Okay, so this is all set. So no problem here. Okay. This side so looks good. Let it finish indexing. There behind it has given you an error.
Same thing. Yeah.
Here it is saying Swift version is Swift 2, Swift optimization level 0, expected 0. Okay, let's go back to this thing, yeah, here, and just wait for this indexing and build to happen here.
Okay.
It will give about 44, 77 warnings. Anyway, between 44 and 77 warnings it will give, depending on different PC to PC. But they are just warnings. But it should say build successful. Then it given just do pod and let it finish indexing. Otherwise, we'll do a pod update also and check.
All right, it's done.
Build was successful, right?
Yes.
Good.
It's
we will-
ready.
Yeah, it's ready, right? So now
Yes.
go on top on product, or right on top product. Yeah, and then let's do archive, or let's do a build.
Build.
Yeah, build. Yeah, just do a build. Yeah, so indexing was done. So now it will do a build. It will give about 40, 47, 77 warnings. It will give, but they'll all be warnings only.
Mhm.
Those then we can remove those later on by clicking on each of those individual pods and then migrating them to version 12, 13. So they will the warnings will reduce. They are just build warnings. So they'll go up to 77, 77, 78 warnings they will give you. Then we'll do is pod repo update and pod install repo update. Two commands I've put it in the chat. We'll run those.
One error.
Method does not overwrite build failed. Okay, just do this Flutter pop update and repo update. Just do that. I put
Here?
those two commands in the chat. Yeah, run them.
Flutter.
Not Flutter, not Flutter. It is pub. Go into the iOS folder.
Oh, the iOS folder.
Yeah, iOS folder. Pod repo update and pod install repo update. I put in the chat. See the chat. I put it in the chat.
All right.
And now put that next one. Okay. Now try to build. You should not get the error because it should get built. Okay, ठीक है. Then let's try the if the iOS is the Swift version, it is saying something in the Swift version. We'll try to rectify the Swift version. Let's see what that is. Let's also do after this Flutter build iOS and see.
Yeah, same error.
Do the Flutter build iOS. I put in the chat. iOS dash no code sign. Yeah.
Same error. Yeah.
Disabling previous because shift version not is set and shift optimization set to level 0. Expected 0 none. All of them are in the same message, right?
It looks like it. Yeah.
Looks like all of them are in the same message. Just copy paste and do a chat GPT on that. What it says.
On this?
Yeah, on any one of them.
One
just
of
take
them?
one of them. Just take one of them. Don't take all of them. Just take one of them. Yeah. Okay, go do these settings. I think it should be done. In the Xcode, we need to go and do that.
Do this?
Yeah, do that. Yeah, the point 2. In Xcode, navigator locate the pod project under the target. Change the optimization level.
Okay.
There will be somewhere the optimization level.
To pod target Firebase.
Well, why not just go to solution 3? Just go to point number 3. Just hold on. What does it say? Okay, ठीक है. Okay. So this is what we can add to. Where do you have to add this? Which is the pod file?
To the pod file. Here.
Yeah. See, where is that? I just add that line. I think we should be. The problem should get solved.
Something like this. Yeah, that's not gonna work.
That is not going to work.
No, it says this is not supported.
Okay, then delete that. Then just do brew upgrade cocoa pods. I'll put that. Brew upgrade cocoa pods.
I don't have brew.
Brew is not installed.
No.
Brew should be there. It will require brew.
Well, Cocoa Pods is installed.
Cocoa pods. How will you check Cocoa Pods is installed?
This is my Cocoa Pods.
They are there, na? Haan, theek hai. So that's okay. Pod version is there. Okay. So then we'll go by that first solution. Point number 2 solution. Then we'll go.
Okay, this. But that one, it would just fix. If it works, it would just fix this.
So then we'll go fixing each of them, na? Because I did a Swift optimization. Why? Basically, because I think your Swift version, maybe the updated version, that is where this problem is coming.
Yeah.
Your Xcode version is what?
16.
16. Okay, yeah. Mine is 15.3.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that is why this may be coming. So just let's try to fix one at a time. So Firebase, where is that optimization? Just change that optimization.
Okay. Swift compiler. In here, yes. Yeah, it's fine.
What is the version there? It is saying
0 on none.
Well, that is what it is already there. Then why is it giving an error?
Expected. Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Then just go up couple of more up and see what the other errors are. No, not here. In the error portion. In the error portion. Yeah. Let's
They're
see
also the same.
Range is supposed to be between 12. Where is that? GTM. GTM session fetcher. It's already 13.
But it's infinite errors about pods.
I think somewhere pod installation has not happened properly. The Cocoa pod looks like.
Should I try downgrade to 15?
Yeah, you can do that.
Okay, I have to go
I
now.
Yeah, I'll tell you where my version is. I'll tell you my version. So 15.3.
15.3. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'll try
15.3.
that. But I have to go now.
You have to go?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Then you do that 15.3 and then we'll try to build. When will it be available next?
I'm very busy this weekend.
Okay.
Maybe today in the afternoon. Right now, what time is it for you?
For me right now it's about 7:30 in the evening.
Yeah, I will be available in like 7 hours from now.
7
So it will
hours from
be
now. Okay, try to ping me. If I'm up, we can then work on the same
okay.
meeting.
Okay.
Okay. Thanks,
All right.
Sebastian.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.